VersionTECH Wireless Gaming Mouse, rechargeable computer mouse mice with colorful LED lights. Silent click, 2 USB Nano Receiver. 3-level DPI for PC gamer laptop desktop Chromebook Mac. Stable to 4G wireless connection. The developed to 4G wireless connection. Technology ensures smooth and no delay signal transmit. Within 10 meters, 33 feet. Well compatible with laptop desktop computer, Chromebook and the system of Windows 10/8, 7, Vista, Mac OS, Linux and other systems. It's also the best assist for your PS for PS5, PlayStation, Xbox One, Xbox Series X game. 3-level DPI for games and work. Just click the DPI button to switch the mouse moving speed. 801 to 001600. 3-level DPI meet the needs of works and most of games. In addition, 6 buttons include left, right, forward, backward. DPI and scroll wheel help your works more efficient. RGB 7-color breathing light. Unique lightning crackle design combining with 7 colors breathing LED light. Multiple colors change automatically. Highlights the atmosphere of gaming, especially at night. Please note that light mode will speed up the battery consumption. Turn off the light while you don't use the mouse. Nice Gaming Boy Color accessories and Super Nintendo accessories. Durable and noiseless clicking. The wireless ergonomic mouse passes over 5 million keystroke clicks test. Ensure a long time and precise operation. Both left and right buttons are adopted with noiseless design. Quiet clicks free your worry about bothering others and keep you stay focused on gaming and working. Rechargeable wireless mouse. Built-in rechargeable battery and charging cable. No need to change batteries. In addition, the mouse equipped with advanced smart power-saving technology. The mouse will auto-enter sleep mode after 8 minutes of no operation. Note, the mouse cursor will move slowly, unstable or stop moving at low battery.